It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. Our driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. You'll also notice that this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, electric park brake down below. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, 2-toned leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel button. To the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's got Wi-Fi capabilities, our trailering app. It's equipped with navigation. Shortcut buttons are just down below, bottom left. And this screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports and a power plug-in. This here is our wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where we'll find some additional USB ports and plugins, LED lighting, and plenty of storage space. Starting at the front of the Denali, we have that very unique Denali grille, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, fog lights, chrome tow hooks, 20-inch alloy wheels, a 6.6-liter DuraMax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, chrome mirror caps and door handles, keyless entry, keyless start and remote start, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, a box side step, the rear window slider, and making our way toward the very back, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The tailgate also has GMC's MultiPro tailgate audio system by Kicker. Easily pair your phone via Bluetooth. You're able to listen to podcasts or crank the music. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the Denali logo, the gooseneck 5th wheel package, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, rear cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, USB ports and plug-ins. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage compartments accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.